Brian Devins here at J-Tech. Today we're going to be going over how to do a repair in this wire harness. You see we have a cut here. We're just going to want to solder it together. Typically you want to replace the whole harness, but in this application, just for training and for the video, we're going to show you how to do this on this. You're going to want to get your wire strippers on here, pick the appropriate gauge. It's important not to mess up any of your wires while you're doing this, you know, because it will matter. I got these. You're going to want to put your heat shrink on now. That way you don't forget about it later. Get it out of the way. There's two ways to do this, to join them. There's more than two, but the two I'll show you is people like to put them at an X like this and twist them. And then I prefer to just fan them out like this. It gives it a more, I think, more cleaner appearance in the harness. Not so bulky. Just twist them together real good. Come over here, we're going to get our heat gun. We're going to put it on the board we got here so we don't harm the other harness. Get our solder. And we're going to simply begin to heat up the wire so it's hot enough to take the solder into the wire. Common mistake, a lot of people try putting this on the solder gun and melt it on there into the wire. Just going to want to get it heated up. You don't want to overheat it or nothing and damage the wire. You just need to get it just hot enough so it will take the solder in. It could take a few minutes. Should take about 30 seconds. There we go, it's hot enough now. You see the solder just goes straight into that wire. Right there. Look at it. That's good. That's going to dry. That's a solid connection. You can tug on that as much as you want. The wire will break before that will. Next thing, you're going to want to slide your heat shrink over here. Place over the wire. This is going to keep all the moisture out. We're going to come over here. Plug in our heat gun. We're on a then we'll shrink that wire, that heat shrink around the wire. As you see, it's real nice, real clean, and strong. And that's how you properly solder it. Thanks for watching, guys.